Hi friends again, and this is Kamal here with this third video, and today we are going to deal with pronouns. So today I'm also thinking to use some Nepali words. So for those who don't understand Nepali, you can just comment it down and I can help you in English and Hindi also. So let's start with this. Pronoun, last time I already told you when I was dealing with parts of speech. Those who have not checked that video, you can just go. I will share the link below. So pronoun is just a substitute of the noun. So here we will see the parts of pronouns. Altogether we have got 7 pronouns. First we will deal with personal pronoun. As I have written here, you can just see also. Personal pronoun deals with person. Person here means it is not the person like us. Mancheko kura gareko haina. Yanira I'm talking about first person, second person, third person. Now I will clear this first person, second person, third person when I will deal tenses. That time I will clear it. Now you can just see some examples of personal pronoun. I, we, you, he, she, it. Now you can see in place of I, we can also write the name. Now you can see here the sentence. I am a boy. I means somebody is there who has got name. But in place of name, I put this I. So it is dealing with person. Personal pronoun deals with person, that's all. Now let's see this reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. In reflexive pronoun, it is very easy. You just need to add self in singular, selves in plural in personal pronoun. You just need to add self and selves in personal pronoun. Self in singular, selves in plural. Yeah, that's all. So here, why we are using the self and selves? We are using this self here. You can see in this sentence, I myself wrote this. In order to emphasize more, we are adding this self. This is actually emphasizing subject here, that is pronoun. So in order to make reflexive pronoun, you just need to add self in singular, selves in plural in personal pronoun in order to emphasize more on the subject. That's all. Interrogative. Whenever you come across this word interrogative, question mark should come inside your mind. Interrogation means question. It's a questioning word. I have written interrogative pronoun is actually a questioning word that replaces the noun. You can see here WH7H1 means you can see the questioning words in English. WH1, see, you can count like what, who, which, where, why. You can just count it. There will be 7 WH questioning word, and H1, that is how. Only one H, that is starting from H, that is how. You can just see it. Now here I have actually put this sentence to make you to give you more idea about interrogative pronoun. Who are you? Who are you here? You can see. Actually, this who means this you. Who means this you. There is actually somebody who has got name. This who means this you only. But then, in order to make a questioning sentence or interrogative sentence, we are using this. So, if you want to make interrogative sentence using pronoun, you can use this WH7H1, but make sure this has to be pronoun. This word has to replace the noun. Now let's move forward. Demonstrative. Demonstrative means here the word that point out object. Suppose this is whiteboard. Now again, one more sentence I have given here. You can just see, this is my class. This is my class. Now I am pointing this class. So the what which we use in order to demonstrate or to point out, that is actually demonstrative pronoun. These, that, those. But then again I am saying you have to make sure those words has to replace the noun. Then only that is pronoun. Now distributive pronoun. Before I explain what is distributive pronoun, let us see the example of distributive pronoun, the sentence I have written here. None of you eat well. Here, this is distributive pronoun. You here means I am talking about plural. The number, the presence of the object is actually more, not one. But then here it is considering individually. Now you can see distributive pronoun considers individually. It considers individually in a group. It is in a group, but it considers individually. It points out individually. You can see none of you means one, all of you. None of you, not even a one. Let me make it simple, not even a one. So everyone, that means none of you eat well. So distributive pronoun considers individually in a group, but you have to again make sure that must replace the noun. Reciprocal. Now reciprocal also, let us see first the sentence here. Let us help each other. Let us help each other. You can see here, each other. Reciprocal pronoun shows mutual relationship in two. Help is common in two. Let us help each other. That means here also let me give example. Let us help each other. Now each other means those who are watching this video, you help me so that I can help other. So you help me, I will help you. So there is one thing is common, that is help. So each other means the presence will be two, that is I and you. That means one and two. भन्नुको मतलब चाहिँ दुई जनाको प्रेजेन्स हुन्छ यहाँनिर. दुई जनाले एक अर्कालाई सहयोग गर्नु. सो त्यो एक अर्का जो छ त्यो चाहिँ के हो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ रेसिप्रोकल pronoun. That's all. Relative pronoun. Relative pronoun, relative सुन्नु बित्तिकै whenever we do, when we talk about relative pronoun, you have to understand one thing. It always works as joining words. It always works joining words. Here also, relative pronoun also does the same work, that is joining. Now you can see here, I know a boy, this is actually one sentence. I know a boy who likes curd. No? Who? You can see here, this what is joining this part and this part. So, relative pronoun, it is helping to join this part of the sentence with other part of the sentence. So, relative pronoun work as to join the two sentences. Here you can see it. Likes it, actually this is not exactly a sentence, it is a phrase, no? But then also it is helping to join each other. So you can also see that and those, which, those all are the examples of the relative pronoun. So if you have any, if you have any problems in understanding this one, you can just comment. Now, once again, I am telling you, you have to understand what is pronoun. Pronoun is a word which substitutes noun. In place of noun, it comes. So whenever you are talking about all these things, you have to make sure that those words, it must replace the noun. Then only you can see. Now let me explain all this in a gist. Personal pronoun deals with a person. You can see I, we, you, he, she, it. And reflexive pronoun, you just need to add self in singular, selves in plural in personal pronoun to emphasize more. So interrogative pronoun, question. So it is a questioning. So you can see W87, you remember please this W87 H1. So using them, you can make it an interrogative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun, it helps in pointing out the object like these, that, those. They are the actually in demonstrative pronoun. Distributive pronoun, it considers individually in plural. यसले के गर्छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ मासमा चाहिँ एक एकलाई नै के गर्छ कन्सिडर गर्छ. रेसिप्रोकल, नाउ रेसिप्रोकल इट shows a mutual relationship. There will be one thing common. Like यहाँनिर के कमन छ भन्दा हेल्प. तिमीले मलाई हेल्प गर, म तिमीलाई हेल्प गर्छु. You help me and I will help you. Each other. So we have to help each other. So common is help. Relative pronoun. Now relative pronoun, relative, when the relative comes in your mind, that is actually, that always work as a enjoining, as a medium to join the two different sentences or two different words. So here also it is working as a word to joins two different sentence and one phrase. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. I am going to share some link of my last two videos here, and if you have any confusions and all, you can just comment it down. Thank you very much and watch for watching this video. Namaste all. Thank you.